Today we're going to learn about Feng, a little boy who lives in China. He's 6 years old and his favourite thing in the whole world is salad. To make a salad, you have to pick your favourite ingredients. Tomato, cheese, olives. There are plenty of ingredients to choose from. Then you mix them in a salad bowl and you can add a salad dressing or special condiment for salads. Now it's your turn to make a salad. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
I think the teacher said that first we have to pick our favorite ingredients.
That's right! We each get to pick our favorite ingredients. I'll go and get the forks so we can eat the salad. I got my ingredient!
Me too!
Can we make a salad with these ingredients?
No, you can't eat them. You have to eat the ingredients.
Of course! Let's go and find some ingredients that we can eat.
I found them!
Wow!
I want to put lots of black olives in the salad.
I want to put all the ingredients in the salad.
I think it would be better if each of us made a small salad with the ingredients we like. And the tastiest salad of all will be the one we make together. How do we decide which is the tastiest salad? I'm the oldest, so I'll decide. Okay, Hoho, let's see your salad.
Ball swallowed.
Yeah, well, you can't eat a ball, Hoho, so I don't think I'm going to try it. Let's see your salad, Hee. Olive salad! The olives are good, but you'll have to add a few more ingredients. Let's see your salad, Hoho.
Ho-ho salad!
What are the ingredients?
Lettuce, ketchup, anchovies, yogurt, pepper, chili pepper, garlic, vinegar, tomato, mayonnaise, tuna, banana, and a touch of paprika.
Yuck! Did you try it?
No?
You have to try it to know if it's good.
Maybe it needs more paprika.
Let's see your salad, Hehe.
It's a salad with lettuce, cheese, corn, and grated carrots.
It's great!
Thanks.
Let's make a big salad like Hehe's together. Hee, bring the lettuce. Hehe, the cheese. Hoho, the corn.
Okay.
Hoho, the carrots. I got it.
Me too.
Where's the corn, Hoho?
I tried it to see if it was good, like you said I was supposed to.
But you ate it all.
Yeah, I
I tried it all, and it was very good.
What ingredient do we use now?
Black olives! Black olives! Wait! Don't put them all in. Just a few.
Okay.
Now it's only missing the carrots.
Salad? Super cool! They're like little balls.
Well, I bet the salad will be tasty with these cherry tomatoes too.
Ball salad!
Nice going, Rachel!
You did it! You made a salad.
Now you know how to make a salad. Congratulations! Hi, Momonsters!
Hi, Teach!
Today we're going to learn about Ruth, a little girl who lives in Luxembourg. She's 5 years old and her favourite thing in the whole world is playing hide and seek. To play hide and seek, one of you has to count to 10 with your eyes closed while the others hide. Then, when you finish counting, you have to say, "Ready or not, here I come!" Then, try to find all the other children playing. Now it's your turn to play hide and seek. And, as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you! How do we start?
I think the teacher said that one of us has to count to 10 with their eyes closed.
That's right. Who's going first?
Me. 1, 2, 3,
Hoho, wait. We have to...
4, 5,
Quick, hide! Super cool!
and 10. Ready or not, here I come. Oh. Hoo-hoo. I see you.
Hoho, not here.
Okay, you're not here. But I see you.
You see me?
Yes. Sorry, Hoo-hoo. I'm going to find the others.
My turn! How can we pick who gets to look for the others? It's Hoho's turn!
He's the first one Hoho found.
It's your turn, Hoo-hoo. How lucky.
Hoho, want to wait?
When you find us all, it will be your turn to hide again.
Now you just have to count to 10.
Hoho, don't know.
count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Huh? Hey, this is my hiding spot. I got here first. Hoho can't find us.
This is a super great hiding place.
It's sure taking a long time. Yeah, I'm bored. Where could he be? Hey,
Gosh.
have you seen Hoho?
No, I was hiding under the cushions, but since Hoho didn't find me and it was dark, I started getting scared and came out.
He must be in the schoolyard. Let's go. I don't see Hoho out here either.
Hi.
Oh, gosh.
Have you seen Hoho?
No, I haven't.
Hoho!
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 Where are you?
Where are you, Hoho? He's nowhere.
Huh. What's that noise? Here he is. That's a great hiding place. We couldn't find you.
Hoho's hiding.
Nice going, great job.
You did it! You played hide and seek.